Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT error in message stream. So now, the first thing I would recommend doing is going through and closing out of ChatGPT or refreshing the page and opening it up again. If you have the ChatGPT application, just go ahead and close out of the application and open it back up. If you're using the website, just go through and just refresh the page. And for a lot of people, that actually might end up fixing the problem. So you might just want to see if you can go and do something like that, because that might end up being the way you're going to go ahead and fix it. If you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing you're going to want to try doing is go through and try seeing if you can update your ChatGPT application. So if you are on the website, then again, just refresh the page. But if you are using the application, try going into your ChatGPT, application inside of the App Store, just like this, and go ahead and click on here and go and try updating the app. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you might want to try seeing if you're able to regenerate that particular, chat. Sometimes all you're going to have to do is just regenerate that particular message or that chat that you were getting. And sometimes if there's a little regenerate button at the bottom, click on regenerate. That might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that might end up being the way. If that's still not working, you might want to go to a website like downdetector.com, or is it downright.com, one of those types of websites that will basically show you what servers are up and down. If OpenAI is down, like it's down like right now, then you're just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So that's kind of the main way to go and fix it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.